I am Ganga Marasini. I am from the country of Mount Everest, Nepal. Currently, I am pursuing my Master of Public Health in Implementation degree, supported by TDR Postgraduate Training Scheme. I am one of the lucky students to study in this prestigious IIHMR University in Jaipur, India. Implementation science is a growing field that supports the identification of health system bottlenecks and approaches to address them, and is particularly useful in low middle income countries like Nepal, where many health interventions do not reach those who need this. During this first year of this course, I have learned comprehensive knowledge and skills from expert faculties and other guest faculty as well. So this experience, overall experience was very good, which include also the coursework and the capstone. During my capstone, I have an opportunity to visit the Govindgarh CSC in Jaipur. So I learned about the malaria program here. Since I am working under government of Nepal, so I can use this knowledge to enhance our health system in Nepal, and as well as I can find the barriers and include in our programs and policies. This journey was not just a path to knowledge, it was also a journey to my challenges, my growth, my unforgettable experience and memories. Thank you.